back in Big Water Grill with Chef Willie. Today we are doing a Philly Cheesesteak Sandwich. First what I do, I get my butter, put it on the grill, brown my bread, toast my bread a little bit. Take my onion, then I take my meat, set it on top. I did a little too much onions and peppers, but that's okay. It ain't gonna hurt. More help. Season it with salt and pepper. Make sure it gets golden and brown. All the way done. That's beef, onion, white onion, and green bell pepper. We do it with bell pepper. A lot of people is allergic to bell pepper. You can get it with bell pepper. You can get it without bell pepper. And we always add bell pepper to it. If you add now a mushroom to it, if you add. Let that set for a minute. One thing about our sandwich is you can get it with onion rings or fried. And today we're doing it with onion rings. Now put the cheese on top. Golden toast. All your cheese at the bottom. Like I said, you can get it we get it with onion rings or fried. Pour it up.